Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us do the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame and understand the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. When we look at the economical events calendar for today is Friday, August 5th. We have high impacting news on Australian dollar related currency pairs at 7 AM and at 4:45 we have medium impacting news planned for British pound related currency pairs, followed by which at 6 PM we have lots of high impacting news for Canadian dollar related currency pairs as well as US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in gold during these hours. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trades. And also I would recommend you to always trade with a stop loss. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, so far we have been seeing that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, and we have also noticed that the price action has taken support on the support level between 1680 to 1665, and currently we are noticing the price action to retrace back on the bullish trend. This level between 1773 to 1745 was acting as a very strong resistance, but currently we are noticing the price action to break this lower support level of the bearish channel pattern, and it is testing the higher resistance lines. And if the bullish trend continues, this whole bearish channel pattern will become invalid, which means we are getting the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal in daily time frame. So once the bullish trend reversal happens, these resistance levels will be acting as a support level for the future price action. But still we have lots of resistance levels on the bullish side also, where these levels had acted as a support levels on the price action when it came on a bearish trend. Let us analyze what could be the next level of resistance and current status of the bullish trend reversal using the Fibonacci's retracement tool. Currently we can notice the price action to be opening higher than the previous day close, which means that the bullish trend is still stronger in daily time frame. When we notice the Fibonacci's level, it is at the level of 0.382, which is around 1792. This is also a strong resistance. So if the price action crosses this resistance level of 1792, we can expect the bullish rally to start. Next level of resistance is going to be around 0.5%, which is around 1827. So in daily time frame, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1793, it will be also breaking the bearish channel pattern resistance line, which means that this channel pattern will become invalid, and we can expect the bullish rally to continue in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, the price action is trying to break this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame. Still the candles have not closed above this resistance line, and the overall trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend when we check the price action using the bullish channel pattern. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. We have to wait for the price action to break this support line of the bullish channel pattern in order to have a bearish side retracement to start. But still these resistance levels will be acting as a support line when the price action tries to trend on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we analyze the price action in hourly time frame, again the price action is trying to break the higher time frame resistance level of 1793. And mostly we have noticed a price action to form double top pattern or double bottom pattern, and usually once this pattern is completed, we can expect the price action to have a trend reversal. Even if the retracement starts, we can expect the price action to take support on the 4 hours time frame bullish channel pattern and to bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal. As long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. Only when the price action breaks the lower support level of the daily time frame, we can expect the chances for the bearish trend reversal in daily and lower time frames. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values within these black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to consolidate between the strong resistance level of 1793. Wait for the candles to close above this resistance line, then you can take trades on the bullish side. Next level of resistance, it's going to be the bullish channel pattern resistance line from the 4 hours time frame around the level of 1816. And even if the price action bounces back on the bearish side, we can expect it to take support on the support level of 1773, which is also coinciding with the bullish channel pattern support line. So the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Again for 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line. So based on this support line, we can understand that the current trend of the price action is in a very strong bullish trend. And even if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, we can expect it to take support on the 30 minutes time frame trend line or the support line. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side, and next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1773, which will be acting as a strong support for the current price action in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks the higher time frame resistance level of 1794, we can expect the bullish trend to continue and retest on the resistance line of the 4 hours time frame. So overall, the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also in a bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this black color lines are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also, we have noticed a price action to form a double bottom pattern, which means that we can expect a retracement to start from this resistance level of 1794. But even if the retracement starts, it is still trading within a bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. We can expect it to take support on the higher time frame support levels or the bullish channel pattern support line, and to bounce back on the bullish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. And only when the price action breaks this bullish channel pattern support line and the higher time frame support level of 1745, we can expect the bearish trend to start in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, previously the price action was trading in a bullish trend respecting this resistance line, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the higher time frame resistance level of 1795. As long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 5 minutes time frame. Next level of support is going to be the 30 minutes time frame trend line or the support line, and if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to take support on the bearish channel pattern support line from the daily time frame. Wait for the price action to break the higher time frame resistance level of 1794 in order to take trades on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.